Model, 2017 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS 350 L2H3 rear-wheel drive. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 156,206. MOT, the 5th of July 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, timing, wet belt issue. The starter motor and alternator will needs replacing as they were removed for another vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074